Hi, how are you all? I hope all are doing well. In this video, I am going to address you 10 amazing tips that can help you to speak English like a pro level. Watch this video, after that you tell me actually it's work or not. Number 1, listening. I am giving the first priority of the listening because listening is the most effective way to improve your spoken English. Number 2, reading stories and reading books because it is the impact way to improve your communication skill. Number 3, learn with phone. Then how to do work? Like for example, you go somewhere to travel somewhere, connect your headphone and listen English songs, listen English stories, listening English web series, listening only in English. Number 4, search a practice partner because you practice a partner in conversation with them, that is a real conversation and you learn English very quickly and easily. Number 5, make an environment and speak only English and English. Number 6, reading books before sleeping because it is open your subconscious mind and mental eyes. Number 7, focus on your goal and motivate them and do something. Number 8, don't afraid to make mistake because it is a process of learning. You do something like you with mistake after that is success. Number 9, visualize your goals and write down your diary books and note them and visualize them in English. Number 10, practice because it is the most effective and impact way to develop your skill. I hope this video is helpful to you. Then really helpful, please subscribe my channel and connect with me and put your comment. I will answer all of the comment. Thank you.